Hey, just finishing my breakfast. Give me a second here. Hold on. I didn't finish doing the ball throwing, right? Item throwing logic. Just code. Wait, no. What am I doing? Should I keep doing the placeholder art? I think maybe I will. Actually, my timer to count down when the stream starts and whatnot is mega scuffed. Maybe I should fix it. Oh, wrong one. This one. Can I create a shortcut for this or what? Favorites? What's that? Yes. Create shortcut. There we go. And I slapped this on my desktop. Awesome. Open with code. Could use Copilot. Give me some help, because I'm not mega fluent on these sort of Python scripts thingies. Script. Seconds 0. Then it transforms the seconds into hours, right? That makes sense. I also want to be able to go up or down, you know? So if I don't reset it, it doesn't make sense to ask if I want to change if it's going up or down, right? Wait. But how do I store the data from one execution to another? I guess I put up another choice. Choice yes, else. If the file exists, right? I'm just gonna finish this real quick, put it in the sink, and I'll be back. 1 minute. I wish I had a good timer to do that, but it's kind of scuffed right now. I mean, let me see. Here. What I was trying to do earlier is I was trying to copy something from this scene to the other one. Let me just do that right now. Oh, sorry, you can't listen to me on that scene. My bad. Yeah, I have the same issue. Okay. Timer. I have a timer in some other scene here. Sorry. From when I was playing Elder Scrolls. Where the heck's my timer? Here. Copy it to this scene. I wish you could copy things from one scene to the other without. And can I group these? How do I group stuff again? Group, head group. BRB. Then I put the text and the thingy in here. I'm cooking. Give me a second. Then I can appear and disappear at the same time. I have to stop this timer. The thing is, I need to make it so I can define a start time, you know? But for now, I'll just manually go in here. Let's say I'm gonna take 2 minutes. Okay. And when I run this, I do not want to reset it. And it's going. Okay. Nice. Oh no! Minus 1 hour. Minus 1 hour. What does that even mean? Okay. With the help of Copilot, I can do this in a few minutes, probably. How do I add a new prompt to this script? Copilot doesn't have like a token system like ChatGPT does, or does it? Can I use this as much as I want? If I can, it's kind of abusable, right? Oh no, but I never reached any limit on it, I think. New prompt, use the input. Choice input, right? Right. Else sec. So this. Try open. Read it. Right. Just so the script knows what is on the text file. Can read previous time starting from 0. That's great. Check if file exists. This I kind of want it here, because all of this block is not to see if the path exists. Only this line is to see if the path exists. Okay, so then I put in another choice. Set initial time in seconds. Yeah, that would be. Yeah, I wanted to do that. Yeah, if I want to reset, I don't do an else seconds equals 0. I do a choice from when to start, right? So let's see. So I can't call it choice, can I? Or can I? I mean, I can reuse choice, but let's call this one restart. Restart choice or just restart? Restart. Like this, I guess. Restart, and this will be start time, right? Input, input start time. Strip lower. Right. What is strip? I don't know. Oh, return a copy of the string with the. I mean, why am I doing this? Add a prompt. Add a prompt to set the starting time if the first choice is Y. I didn't say please. What? Oh, no, no, no. Never mind. My bad. My bad. If the wait, what? Oh, wait, else 0 seconds? What is else? Oh, if the file doesn't exist. That doesn't make any sense. But this is correct, kind of, right? If the answer is restart, that's when I wanna... The else is fine here, right? So this goes in here, right? Start time input, enter starting time, hours, minutes, seconds, strip. Yeah, map, start times, start time? Alright, start time, split this with this, right? It's a map, then make an iterator, okay. Sure. Yes, 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 okay. Except, invalid format. Starting from 0, that's just great. Yeah, 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 if I press enter, it just goes, right? From 0. That's great. Perfect. Time. Wait. Right. Then I just set the seconds to that. So now when I run it, and I say that I want to reset. Oh, I didn't save or what? Yes, reset. Enter the starting time. I want to go 0, 0. 2 minutes. And now, if I turn this on, it's counting down from 2 minutes. It's great. Add a prompt. Please. We have to be nice to AI, please. Because they are gonna be our masters at some point. Please add a prompt to make the timer I don't know how to phrase this, either increase or decrease. Prompt to choose countdown direction. I always want to have that, no? Or do I? This should probably be one of the first things. Stopwatch loop is the same, right? No, then I have to add this. Okay. So this prompt, I actually want to add it at the start, no? Or wait. I need to, right? I need to, even if I don't restart the timer, I need to say if I want to... Actually... If I am... The only scenario when I want to keep the time that I have is if I'm counting how much... For how long I did something, right? Or for how long I'm doing something. So, only when I say yes, do I make that question? Otherwise, it is going to be true, right? So, count up, direction up, what? So this goes when I say yes. Set the start time. Actually, setting the time when you're increasing is not that common of a scenario, I think, but maybe I should still consider it. Let's say I wanted to play Elder Scrolls right now and I'm at like 27 hours and I want to keep going, but my timer is not at 27 hours, so I want to set it to 27 hours. So I would say reset the timer to type it 27, and then I want it to go increasing, right? In that scenario, I want increasing. Is there a scenario where I reset the timer and I want to go decreasing? Kind of rare. For now, I will not account for that. So, wait, what am I saying? If I reset the timer, the thing is that resetting could happen in different scenarios. Either I want to get a new timer going, right? A new countdown, for example, or I want to resume like a stopwatch that I had, something, right? If timer should be reset. Oh man, AI is crazy on this thing, dude. Because it knows what the code does, so it can add comments for it, kind of. I mean, knows. It knows that when code looks like this, comments look like this, I guess. Because probably there's, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of scripts like this, I guess. Or similar, you know? Should go up or down. If count up this. Else this. What was it going again? Direction input. Should the timer count up or down? Type up or down. Strip lower. Direction. Count up equals direction equals up. What? You explain line 10, please? Do I need to save this or what? Well, if direction is up, count up equals direction, is that it? For a 10-year-old? Okay. My bad. I meant line 10. I was like, is AI trolling me? No, I'm trolling myself. That's not line 10 for me. The next line. Why is it counting the lines wrong? Is it basing itself on this thing? No, right? No. you did count up will be true. Oh, this boolean equals this condition. Okay. Oh, I was having a hard time understanding that. If you type down, it will be false, right? Just transforming this into a boolean. Okay. Count up, count down. That's perfect. So I ask if I want to count up or down. Then I ask if I want to reset the stopwatch. And then... oh. Can you also make it so the script stops if the timer reaches 0? Just else if check here if seconds is 0 every time. If second is equal less than 0, reach stopping and break. Wait. Wait. All right. Let's give it a quick test run. Up or down? I want to count down. I don't want to reset. I want to go 0, 0, 01, 30. Let me show the BRB here. Okay, it's counting down. Actually, should make it lower so I see what happens when it reaches 0. Down. 10 seconds. Wait, oh my god. I didn't say yes. What am I doing? When I do not say yes, when I say something that's invalid, it goes into else. Oh, it should be elif. Right? Should be elif here, I think. Elif restart equals n. Right? Do this. What else? Else seconds equals 0 as well, or what? No, else invalid choice starting from 0. Okay. Wait, except invalid format. Oh no, it's just for the time. Right, it's not for this choice. Now I have condition for this, if this choice is off. Okay. Down. Then if I by mistake put something else here, it says invalid code starting from 0 and it stopped. Nice. Just go again down. Yes, restart. Bring up the BRB here. Restart from 0, 0, 0, 0, 5. 3, 2. Wait, even from 4 to 2. Oh, and it can go to 0. Why didn't it go to 0? Should have gone to 0. Actually, I'll just put it here then, I guess. just test the up for now. Up. Reset. What am I at? 1. Let's not reset, I guess. Yep. Cool. Now let's go down. No need to reset now. 5 seconds is great. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Exit. Okay, nice. Pretty much what I need, I think. Looks good. Alright. I don't want to save this script somewhere that it's not my PC, so I can have it in other places. I'll just put it on Google Drive, I think. Give me a second here to do that. Drive. Where's the folder? Wait, what? Oh, I closed it? Stop this thing. Documents, I guess. Stopwatch. Copy. See my disk. And the stopwatch is here. Okay. Nice. Cool. How do I file open folder? I just want to have my project here. Huh. Okay. Nice. Keep doing the icons or the we'll break from code and do the icons, I guess. So let's see. Can I add like a checklist or something? Checklist. Title. Active. Oh. Icons. Add. Icons. Add an item. So tuna can is done. And rubber ball is done. And I check mark them. I need the role. I guess base role. The pet, base pet. Laser pointer. Wait, laser pointer. The drone. And let me see what else I want to make from items. Rubber ball. A cookie. Okay, actually, let me see. I wanted to make more health restoring stuff. So the cookies are not that good for you. Only 25 health, even though they're really good. Then I would have an apple and a banana. Banana would restore 100 health, 100% health, and apple would be 50% health. So I need to do all of these. So let's go cookie, apple, banana, And I want to do these as well. TP roll. Small bell. Sure. Rat toy. I mean, why not the complete name? Wind up rat toy. That's all the toys I had. And for food, I want to do as well the cat food. The dry kibble, sure. And the catnip, I guess. I'm gonna do these. But I need to go to the bathroom. And it's a number 2. It's gonna take a while, I guess. So let's say 5 minutes. So let's try out the thingamajigger. So BRB. See this thing here. Countdown. Reset, yes. I want to go 0, 0. 5 minutes. 0, 0. There we go. Okay. 5 minutes. I'll be back. I don't know how much longer than 5 minutes it took, but oh well. So one thing I was also thinking is that the tuna can, for example, I have it closed, right? I have a closed tuna can, and it makes sense that the pickup is a closed tuna can, right? But what you drop down should be an open tuna can, right? And the same goes for some of the other foods and whatnot. Cats don't care for apples or bananas, right? Or cookies. I want the human food to be specifically human food. Open tuna can. Okay. It's just, oh my god, I closed Steam actually. I was like, I'm not gonna need Steam, but actually at right on Steam. Should I be doing all these sprites? I don't know, because I have zero knowledge of this type of thing. On. But I do have some fun doing it. So I'm doing it in 16 by 16. I actually could reconsider this. I mean, I don't know when it was the... Oh, I didn't open my key yet. Should be clean, okay. What was the last commit I did? Background thing. Variable behavior was before that. Okay. I was thinking if actually 16 by 16 is a good format. Let me run this in a full screen. See what it looks like. Because, okay, maybe some people are going to run it in a small screen, you know? This is like a very small laptop, I guess. If I do this, it doesn't increase yet. This would be too small, right? The tuna can on the floor should look more like this, I would say. Should I make them... So this is 64 by 64. Would 32 for 32 do it? The thing is, I like the size of the pixels here. If I do it 32 by 32, the pixels are going to be smaller, right? The open tuna can, I'll do it 32 by 32, just to experiment with it, I guess. Transparent background, yeah. Can I change like the settings of this so the grid always shows? In a sprite, can I make it so the grid always shows instead of having to enable it every time? View show grid enable it, then go to edit preferences grid. That's what I've been doing, it doesn't work. Check the option show grid by default or similar wording. Is there such a thing? Grid settings. There's no such a thing. Advanced mode? Show onion skin, what the heck is that? Symmetry options. That's cool. Shift N, I guess? Or how do you do this? Shift N. There we go. There are settings? Oh no. 4 pixels at a time, I guess. This is good. Make this one. Okay. So a 32 by 32 open can of tuna. The other example was pretty good. The one that I said it looked more like cat food than a tuna can. Tuna can pixel art. Hello? This one looks like what I want, but I want the long one like I had. Let's see. Second here. Pictures. Tuna can. Okay. So this is my 16 by 16 tuna can. And okay, I want it open. Let's do this. Actually, let's do this. This. Let's do this. And here. Can I open this without... How do you make it so you can open it without it distorting the image? Can I create a new thing image here outside? No. Okay. Let's see, where am I? Stuff. This looks good, but where do I put this? Kind of awkward. Over here? No. Over here. I mean, I only need to be able to see this. I can do this. Yes. So I wanted to have my other tuna can open over here. Actually, I can do this. Where do I have that? Tuna, active, items, tuna. Can I make it so this shows up over here, I guess? I want this over here or something. This, I guess? Is a reference? Okay. So shift it was to make lines. Oh no, but because I have this over here on my drawing board thingy, I have to go way to the side instead of being able to draw in the center. It's kind of awkward. Let's try to move this as close to the center as I can. Can I move this dock over here or something? I don't know. Make this thinner, okay, good. I don't want to draw in the center. I guess I'll just put my references. I mean, I can do this, this, this. It's almost the center. Okay. Yeah, this is good. All right. So let's see. Here. These things start here. It would go like this or something. What am I drawing with? Draw black here, I guess. Can I do the same line again? More from here, maybe. Looks mega junky. No! I don't like that at all. I guess drawing with less pixels is easier? I'm not sure. Am I doing a different angle? Like on the top line I got it that all the segments are 2 pixels, you know? And I wanted the same thing here. See, it goes up 2.5 thingies. And it sideways it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would need to go here. Ah, that's the issue, I guess then. Right. But I can move everything, I guess? There? Oh. Nope. How do I disable this keyboard shortcut, please? Do you want to turn on sticky keys? Sticky keys lets you use Shift Alt Control on Windows and Windows local keys by pressing one at a time. I don't know, man. I don't understand what that does. Right? Okay. That looks terrible, but I'll work on it, I guess. But I'm feeling like I should go back to... Sticky keys lets you use Shift Control Windows keys by pressing one at a time. The keyboard shortcut to turn on sticky keys is to press the Shift key 5 times. Disable this keyboard shortcut. Sticky keys. No. Okay. Now if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I can press shift as much as I want. It's good. Looks too squarey, right? I need to make it look more round. How do I make it look more round? I'm making these sides like longer, right? That looks better. So this would be what, like this? No, it has to be more here, right? That looks rounder, I guess. Okay. Pick this color, bucket. Does look a bit more round, I think. Like this line won't exist, right? I'll just make a darker shade over there. And let's just pick here slightly darker, I guess. This slightly darker. Too dark, right? Okay. Now we delete this line. Try something here. Wait. Is this taller over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guess that's correct. Then this one is not going in the right direction, is it? How do I confirm that? Counting his toward the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this should be slightly down, right? Should be over here. Right? How do I do this? working out. We run from here? This? This? I think that actually makes sense. Let's call this tuna can 32. I mean 32x32? Kind of redundant, but whatever. I also have a slightly darker shade on this side, on this one, but I think I just want to do a lighter shade on. Is it? Should this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it should go more towards here, no? Boy. I think that's wrong, but it looks better, I think. Does it? Maybe not. Because this little bit is longer than this one. That's mega wrong, right? That's not right, is it? It's terrible. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really? Right, because it starts in the same place and one ends here and the other one's there. So this should be ending here. Wait, this can't be this bulky here. Is that more correct? I don't like this little bit here. It looks like it goes down over here. So I would consider doing this. Looks like it goes up, which is better, I guess. I don't know. Let's make it lighter here, I guess. Wait, that's the color I'm using? No? It's almost the same color pattern I have here, I guess. This one is more grayish, but this one is like kind of brownish. There's a bit of yellow in it, I think. Yeah. Can I... Does this make it more metallic? Oh, it does. Huh. Cool. So let's make it like the same, like the other tuna can. You know what I mean? Try to make the opener here. Now I have more pixels to work with. Oh, okay, okay. Kind of want to move it though, no? One square to the left and one square upwards, or what? That's M, right? Marquee this a little bit. No, just one to the left, maybe. What did I just do? Wait, what? Oh. What? What did this look like before? What the hell? Oh, because I... Wait, what? Oh, this... Okay. Let me just do something first. So I don't get confused. Wait. No, I shouldn't do that. I should just make a better marquee, I guess. This is selecting the pixels I want, right? Yes. Yeah, I like that. It's a bit too much towards this side, it feels here. But I'll go with that. I mean, the opening thing is not sideways, right? It's towards the end, so maybe this is stupid. Let's see. So I change it, I guess. So it would be like this. Like this. And I have to thin it out here. And make a hole here. Looks kind of skewed, doesn't it? Looks like it's pointing upwards too much. I guess because this is going 1 pixel at a time up, you know, the degree, the incline, like 45 degrees, and this one is less than that. So I need to make it longer to make it look good, or what? Kinda looks okay-ish, no? Move it upwards and to the left a little bit, or what? Just to the left? Okay. Can I fit the little fish in here, though? The little fish would be something like this. Put it on the side. Two tunas. Stupid. I liked it on top, but I don't think I can make it look as good as the one I have on the bottom right now. She's too skinny. Makes something look good, I think. Should I do a tuna can from the side? Instead of having this perspective? That's how it would look like to look like this one. But it's clashing with that. Can I do this? Doesn't fit in here at all. Like, do something like this? Save this one. So what would this look like? I want to make it sort of something like this, then go like this. It's more round than I wanted, actually. I don't want it as round, I think. Yeah, it's too round. I want it to be the square looking ones. So no, that's round enough. A bit more on the height. A bit more? Because then I have to do this, right? Then I would have some sort of perspective here, right? Or no? Or do I? Yes, yes, yes. I like it, I like it. So I would go with some sort of gray here and a slightly darker gray over here, right? Looking good. And even slightly darker gray for the opening thingy. From the side, it's way easier to make the opening thing, I feel like. Yeah. Too squared, though. I don't like how square it looks here, but I don't have a lot of pixels to work with. Okay, and I just need to tune it on the side, right? Like this image right here. You know what I mean? And that seems kind of easy to make. Oh, he has 3 things. Let's do my kind of fat, I guess. Four pixels wide is kind of junky. You can't make it look as good as that, I feel like. Did I just copy the other guy here? This looks way better, but it looks offset, right? It should be in the center. So what I would do is pick up this bit here, move it up 1 square, and make my hand taller, right? Wait. Yes, I can make the little eye here. I'll make it wide, actually. White seems kind of awkward, actually. Should I make it sort of this gray shade? Should I make it without an eye, actually? Yes. Looks like a tuna. No? Too long, maybe? Maybe too long. But if I shrink it 1 pixel on each side, it's gonna be super short. I'll just move it now. Oh, it's not centered. Yeah. I'll need to do this. And wait, what did I just do? Not terrible. Was I making my eye too far back? If I make it more over here, it looks better? Oh, it does. Can I make it white? No, that just looks creepy. But this looks good. I think. A bit kind of lifeless. This one looks way more alive with like 2 shades here. But I guess an actual tuna can is not this simple, right? A bit more appealing. I I mean, it's supposed to be... like... I don't know how to word it. It's not supposed to be super accurate, just to represent it, right? Visually well, but it looks kind of sad with so much gray. The tuna cans are kind of gray, but maybe just the top should be gray, the side maybe could have another color? Should I just flat out kind of copy this guy's design and make it sort of blue? And let's try to copy this guy. Sorry. And the blue. Okay, but way darker, obviously. Way less dark. More saturated, less dark. No. Yes? No. More white on it. And I kind of want these groove details on top, you know what I mean? But it's too much clutter with this on it, right? If I make it wider, I can make it taller and get more detail on it, and I can go a bit wider. Leaving 2 pixels on the margin would be enough, I think. So can I do this, then marquee this, then go like... That's what I wanted to do. Don't do this. Can I... How do I... Is this okay? Alright. I do this. And here I do this. Then I can do this, I think. Yeah, here looks good, right? I think. Look at the bottom. Looks like it could work, no? Super tiny here. Let me make it a bit larger. I just have to fill this out. How do I do it here? Like so? Or what? So I would have to do the opposite. This? Too thin at the top, maybe like this? How do I thin it out? Eraser. It's okay. Okay. The tuna looks cooler, kind of shorter, right? Ah, dang it. And I get... Is this the same color as this? Wait. It isn't, right? And it looks better this way for some reason. And how can I add some grooves? It would need to be like this color but slightly lighter. Let's see. Then I would make just some stripes or something, I don't know. Kind of awkward that it touches the thingamajigger here and this one doesn't. I'm gonna make this whole thing thinner. Kinda like it thick, but and a bit more of this, like this. Does that look okay? Should go more here, right? Or this should go less here. There's perspective here and here there is no perspective, which is awkward, right? Can I make it so this one is longer? Kind of, sort of. Soft here, right? Guess this shouldn't look like this. Should look rounder here, right? Maybe too round? Kind of. Yeah, I don't like it this long on the top. But this looks too squared. Doesn't work. I guess doing this is fine because I want it to be more round or something at the end. Doesn't look crisp. The change like in the line here. Then it should just be shorter. Wait, what did I just do? Oh my. Can I? Oh wait, what is this zoom doing? Well, this is obviously not centered, so it probably would be nice to try to center it a bit more. Oh, there we go. Perfect. This thing touching the edge, it doesn't look great, does it? So let's try 3 stripes. 3 stripes is awkward, isn't it? Wait. Give me this color here, please. 3 stripes. Wait. Stripes. 1. 2. 3. Can't 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's putting 3 stripes in 8 in a doesn't work very well. Let's do it by bits. It should have one here and one here, I feel. And then just go with what? And do one in the middle. Do a double line in the middle? Kind of seems like this is not in the right place. Guess this is not in the right place. I have to move it down, I guess. Looks too close to this side now. Wait, oh, because this is 8 pixels long, but I think the length of this is correct. But if for this to be centered, it would need to be 4 pixels wide. I guess that's fine. Let's make it thicker. Doesn't look as cool, I think. No. No. These lines look great, but what do I do here in the middle? Great. I like how they look. Two is too thick. One over there seems okay. What about one over here? There's too much to this side. What about... What about... No, the lines is the best way to do it, but can't fit the lines. I'm starting to think, what if I do a marquee here? What happens if I do a marquee here? Get a slightly darker blue and bucket here. Not different enough. And now I do a lighter one. Marquee this bit. That doesn't look great. This blue does look better though. No? Maybe? Not sure. Maybe not. Double line in the middle is too thick. One line touching the edge doesn't work, I feel. Maybe if this line touches the edge, it works. It actually kind of does, to be honest with you. Still don't like how this line touches this and this one doesn't. I could make this three wide again. I like the look of it with 3 wide better. Ooh. Maybe? I feel like this is too long. Maybe this one is too long as well. Or maybe this should all be wider. Hey there. Well, right now I'm making a tuna can. If you can't tell, that's a bad sign. Overall, prototyping a game that I'm doing with my friend. My friend is supposed to do the art, but he's been busy, so I'm trying to do some placeholder art at least. It's I don't know, it's going to be like bullet hell binding of Isaac kind of thing with cats. That's the TLDR. And yeah, everything like here is empty and whatnot, so yeah, I was getting kind of tired of working with just squares of stuff, so trying to put some sprites in here. So yeah, trying to make this tuna can. I had this one before. Where is it? This one, but it's 16 by 16. I'm trying to make one 32 by 32 because I want it a bit larger, I guess. Trying to make a game, got an idea. Checking out what everyone else is doing. Yeah, it's a good thing to do for sure. What do you want to do? I'm happy with this tuna can. I'm gonna save this. Save as. No. Multiverse bullet hell was like a platformer. Platformer bullet hell, but like top-down view or isometric or like side-scrolling type of thing, or 3D. I guess you can make it 3D. Tuna can side angle side angle 32 export as export. Let's see. Drop it in here, and on the game manager I need to point to this now. Copy path, game manager, this side scrolling. Honestly, no clue what I'm making. It might be similar to Terraria in terms of camera angle and movement. Alright. It's kind of an interesting challenge, I think, making a bullet hell like that. I mean, there are some games that are like that, you know? Depending on how you look at it. Like, there are side-scrolling games where you shoot a lot and there are a lot of enemies coming from each side, but there's not a lot of platforming in them. If you add a lot of platforming to it, I think it could be cool. Maybe a bit too crazy though, if enemies are like falling off platforms and whatnot, but it could be fun. You have to prototype it. See if it plays well. Hello? Where's my new tuna? Wait, did I copy the wrong path? This one. Copy path. Indeed. I don't know if I like it. I mean, here, small it looks good, but here I don't like it. I liked it how it was before, because you could see the pixels more clearly. Like on this one, which is 16 by 16. The issue is that I don't know what's going on here. Like, because I have this feeling out with code, and I don't know what it's doing with the aspect ratio of it, or whatever. Getting a feel for the engine? Yeah, okay. I'm kind of relatively new as well. This is the first like big project that I'm trying to make. It's not big yet because I'm still starting, but hoping to make it big. The idea for it came from a game jam we did, me and my buddy. Let me see if I can show you. bitch. Here. It's pretty simple, but we kind of like the idea. So, just a character and a lot of cats showing up, and I don't know why it lags so much on the browser. But yeah, you just gotta brush the cats, and you go through the waves, and then you get upgrades. First levels are the hardest ones, then you can get more brushes, and it's the best upgrade. You get a lot of brushes. And yeah, it's super simple, but it was I feel like it has potential. I mean, the idea is to make it a lot more complex, a lot of systems and items and abilities, and a bunch of different cats, obviously, stuff like that. Yeah, I like it. My buddy Paulo did all the art for this, and I like it. He didn't want me to put the art that we had on there in this game, but I was too tired of the cats just being squared, so I just put those cats in here because I think they look good. Okay, I was thinking about the tuna. Yeah, sort of like that. In this one, I was thinking we would go more in the direction of different rooms instead of just continuous waves and you running around in a large map, just contained rooms with a certain number of enemies showing up. But we'll see what feels better as we move forward. Yeah, like kind of Binding of Isaac. Not sure on the details yet, but similar to that. Give me a second here, I gotta close the door because there's too much noise outside. What do you think about this tuna can thingy? Here it looks bad. I mean, it doesn't look how I'd like it to look. Let me build a project. Yeah. If I have that. Build. Wait. The pixels look kind of junky. I have to mess with the settings because it's looking weird. Like, look at this. It's like jagged here, you know? This stand out a little. I mean, right now it stands out because everything's gray, you know? There's supposed to be more color in it eventually. So maybe it won't stand out as much then. I guess I'll just move forward. Shouldn't spend too long thinking about this. I want to make an open one. That's gonna be kind of harder to do. Man, what are they doing outside? There's a guy like cutting the weeds on the street. Let me change to these headphones. know if it's good now. Sorry about that. So it opens from this side, obviously. Oh, this is actually wrong, now that I think about it. Wait. That's super loud again, I don't know why. Okay, now it's gotta be good. I think. Sorry if I killed your ears. This is wrong, right? What am I doing? Big color, brush. That's how can openers work, right? Yeah. Now, to make this open, I want to have all of this side be tuna, so it's a good tuna color. I guess this is kind of tuna-ish. Yeah, that looks like no. Too dark. That's tuna, right there. No. Does that look like tuna? Not sure. Okay. Now the hard part, the open thingy. Wait, it's not. This actually just a darker gray, I guess. Wait. This has to be another shade, right? This shade? Could it be lighter? Maybe lighter would be better. Let's use this shade here. Make this like this. And use the darker shade to make the outline here. Looks terrible here, but it's kind of starting to look like something over here. But it's... the angle is all wrong, right? Looks like it's open more on one side, but that could be okay. You can open a tuna can more like, you know, skewed. Left corner taller. Yeah, that would make it look less weird, maybe. Slightly better? Maybe I have to change the angle here as well, probably. More even, yeah. Like so. It would go here, then it would go here. Then it would... No, too much? Too much. Say it finishes here. Okay. And it goes like this and like this. Wait, what did I just do? It looks awful. No, that's not right. I'm not following the line properly here. It's probably... This. No. I have to do it like with this angle for it to look good, no? Tell you what. Can I copy this? The issue is this. I need to fix this as well, obviously. Right? Yeah. Hold on. I'm cooking. Right. Wait. Like this, actually? Yeah. I don't know about this. What? terrible. Stupid perspective. This side has to be thinner, I think. Or not. What the hell am I doing? It's not right. No. Right. Right. I'm like this. Almost slightly wider here. No, that is the same thing. Here. Okay. Just getting there. What? What? Is this supposed to be like this? No, right? No, that's not right. Now the cool thing on this one is that you see the opening thingamajigger. Just want to save this before I forget to change the name and I overwrite the previous one. So open tuna can side angle 3232. More round here, right? How do I make it more round? No, that's not it. it either. It's getting worse. Maybe just stick with this. Doesn't look too good, but maybe doing better is beyond my capabilities. Actually, nah. Yes? Maybe? Maybe. No, 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 no. I think this is gotta be wrong. This is gotta be wrong as well. Did I just did this and it didn't look good, did it? No. Needs this sort of slant here. Wait a second. What if this edge is actually black? You know what I mean? But here you can see how it's not matching. This is matching this, but here I have this and here I don't. That's not right. It would need to be like this. And here, black as well in here? I would need to go... Ah. What need it? Wait, what? It's getting there, but it's not mega good yet. Does it work if I do... Wait, what the heck am I doing? If I try to put the thingamajigger in here, you know what I mean? Does that work? The opening thingy? No. I mean, like this it does not work. Maybe we need to be like this? This? No. Let's make it simple. Let's make it how it was. This. Just more of this here. This is off. Just to be like this. Like this. Then I guess... Oh! I did a thing again. It needs to be the other way around then. That it? Maybe I don't need this here. It needs some sort of indicator that no. I mean, this doesn't work, does it? Or is it that other darker shade of gray? Make this darker. Wait, getting worse. It would make more sense the other way around, the tones, no? Let's see. Wait. Store this here. Get this, put this here. Shit. Get this, put this here. Wait, what have I just done? This? Side here is still kind of off, no? And I don't know about the... Oh! Is that okay? The tones though... What about this? Oh. Some sort of tuna outline maybe instead? No. Maybe? I don't like how this trails off here, but I cannot make a nice thing to separate these. No! I don't like this little bit here. This isn't right, is it? No. I don't know. Like, this is good for now. I don't know. Okay. Open the can. Go. Now the tuna, this sprite is supposed to be this. Now when I drop a tuna, it looks like an open tuna. Still skewed the lead, huh? I mean, looks very suboptimal, but it conveys the point, I guess? In here I don't notice it as much, but when it's smaller, you can really see how the lid doesn't like align properly with the rest of the can. Should these be exactly symmetrical? So actually, can I copy this here? Let's see what it should look like. Did it be like this? I didn't copy it. Is this the angle? Obviously I need to fix this here. Maybe? Huh. Does look better, doesn't it? Oh, this looks weird. Don't know if I can fix it. This does look better though, doesn't it? This is what I had before, yeah, it's slightly skewed. Here I like it better, I think. Maybe? If I could just fix this though, but I don't know how to. Because there's like some rule in pixel art, right? I think that you cannot... Like, you cannot do this. Right? It looks kind of weird. I mean, you can do it here. I don't know. Maybe more pixels solves it? Let's see, one... That's not right. This is fine. Let's try this. Wait. What? That's the new one? I think it is. Does it look better? Not that one, right? It doesn't look updated there, but or is it not? Is it the right one? I think so. Yeah, it's not this one for sure. It'll do for now. Okay, so where's my thingy? Open tuna can. Done. I want to do the ability ones now before I do any other items, which is what I have here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Rest is items, okay. Roll. How do I make a roll? This is more abstract. I guess I'll make some sort of circle and go from there. Can I do the... How do you do this? This and this? I want... Yes, okay. Like this. More round. I have to do it more round. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Ooh, that's very round. I like that. Ooh. Now what? some kind of brown amalgam of stuff in here. Wait, can I do some sort of spirally thing? Can't do it like this, can I? Like, no. Can I do it? Wait, I'll do it like this. Hold on. This is going somewhere, I promise. Oh, no more of this. Enough, I think. Can I rotate this? Or flip it or something? Fast rotation, what? Actually, roll ability pixel art. Wait, not dice roll. Tumble? Tumble? Should I remove the keyword ability from it? Or what? Oh no. Wait. I forgot what I was doing. In a sprite, how do I rotate a marquee selection? Selected area? Lasso tool. I guess it's like the marquee, but you can draw it. The lasso. Press Ctrl T. Transform. Click and drag just outside the selection boundary to rotate. What the hell? Ctrl T. Wait, that's not it. Control T? No. You lie.
Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go.
Just while rotating. You can drag just outside the selection boundary. But like right now I still have the thing. Oh!
Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go.
Shift? Snap? Okay.
Let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Everybody bring it in.
I don't know what I was hoping would happen. Whatever. How do I make a spiral? I want to do this. Wait, is this what I want to do? No, that's not it. Make some sort of S shape. And then make another one here. Now that's kind of it. Then what about doing this? Can I do it like this then? No. Yes? No. No. Oh, can I do like this? No.
Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go.
Nah, that won't work. I don't know how to do this. Nah. It would be like this. And like this. Then like this. And like this. Am I doing a thing? No, that looks terrible. What the hell? You need to be. Now I can do the thingy, right? If I put my cursor right here, I can do shift. Oh, what? Wait. Now what? Right? That's what I'll need to do, isn't it? Or like this actually. What have I done? And hopefully I can do this again. What if I just go like this here? Ah! No, maybe this one should be like that, actually. Which one is wrong here? Wait, I can do this better. Wait. I can do marquee this. Pick. Right? Wait, missed a bit. Like this. You know what I mean? And now pick this color and with some shift action do this. Yeah, no? Okay, now I go on from this. Let me see, save. It's gonna be the base roll. I just need a bit more flair, you know? Some more shades or something? I don't know. Just trying stuff out here. Oh. Nah, that's not it. That's not the flavor it needs. Nah. Okay, this one. See where I'm going with this? Wait, what happened here? Oh, this one started outside. Which was maybe better? No, no. No, can't be better. Now a different shade in here. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? This too crazy? Maybe not. Nah. So what I'm thinking is fill this out actually. But that's obviously wrong. Wait. Is that right? Oh, it needs to be a perfect circle as well, right? Kind of, sort of. But I've done another circle in here. Oh, and I just need to go like this. Right? Then like this, like this. Wait. Like this. What? That's not right. What is it? It is right. 1, 2. Can I do this thing again? What is going on here? Wait, everything's wrong. What? 1, 2. 1. Oh my god, everything's wrong. Restart? Restart, I guess. Wait, what? Right, where's the other round? This one, right? Wait. Do this thing. Just go like 1, 2. 1, 2. Here I go 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 1. Okay. Smaller than I wanted it, so let's go back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's off. 1, 2. Oh, that sucks. Oh, this one is not outside. What am I doing? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. What the hell? Oh, how do I make it so... I get the thingy. I want this. This curve. That curve would need to happen there. Can it work with this? No. This thing is symmetrically and I want to do it like, I don't know how I want to do it, but say we do this, say we do some sort of swastika looking thing, I don't know. Oh! Did I mess up? No, I think I'm Doing okay. Wait, that's not where it should go. Like this, right? Then out, or like this, like this. Okay. Thinking of making some details outside here. I don't know. Okay, maybe. Give me a second. It's too structured, right? It would need to be more blurry. I mean, you would need to convey more a sense of blur. How do I do that? With a... Perfect edges are not helping, maybe, I don't know. Or it needs more thingies inside? Whatever, I don't know. If I just make a lot more... scribbling inside or something. Did it not have an outline? I don't know. I think I should go way simpler. Actually. What the hell? Not 41, dude. Just one S thingy. Let's say I start here. Go like this. Longer. Nope. Like this, you know what I mean? Wait, what am I doing? Let me draw some strategic points here, here, right? And I go like this. Then I go like this. Oh, this is not right. the guide is here, then it goes like this, like this, kind of. But not like that at all, actually. Like this. Right? Like that at all. Maybe I can think about it as tiny circles inside of the thing or something. Nice curve here. So nice curve here would end up in here, in here. On this side, actually. Why does it look so bad? I think I may see the issue. So here I want to go. Maybe I don't want to go symmetrical. Yeah, okay, let's go then. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. And then we start going 1 2 1 2 1 2. It's not even remotely close. Shit. Should I just do it and start cleaning it up afterwards? Go bit by bit? This part is fine actually. Kind of. What? How do I rotate this? Why does it not look? There we go. Just touch up the center here, I guess now. You're doing it right? Wait, this is not right. Wait. No. What? No. The other one is better. This one should do the same then. Why is it not? Huh? Oh, this one is outside and this one is inside. I like this one better, so I do a marquee here. That's so. Good enough. Okay, and now I just do slightly different shades on one side and the other, right? Something like that. Like, could even be this, to be honest, and doesn't need to be symmetrical. I don't know. Some sort of yin yang makes sense. How do I make it more rolly? Can I make it more rolly with some little bit more details, maybe? Some stripe thing is here or something? Represents speed, you know what I mean? Like in and yang, but then I go like going. Like this, but not like this. Oh, I've been drinking water. Not quite, but maybe? This is going somewhere? Stick with me here. Wait. Wait, what? What am I doing? I like the left side, kind of. Could be worse. Nope. Looks terrible, but I think it's the best it's been in a while. What if... And what if... What if... Lasso. Can I lasso? Lasso? Lasso is not without? Hand tool. What's the hand tool for? Nothing. Line, rectangle, color, blur. Lasso is Q. Magic thingy. What? And I look like sperm cells. I don't know. Maybe just make this thinner. Doesn't look like a sperm cell as much. Just need them to not look like sperm cells. This one is closer here. What's going on? Oh. What? Marquee? Oh, it's a different shortcut. W. Okay. It's even worse. I fill this up more. Stupid sperm cells. I like that it flows, but stupid sperm cells. Maybe. Too much stuff. Have I done this? If I put them near the edge, maybe they don't look like sperm cells as much? Actually? Back to the sperm, I guess. Maybe just do this then. Like, being thicker at the end gives a sense of motion, right? It's going that direction, but can't look like this exactly because it does look like sperm cells. Okay. Wait, what? It's not as bad, is it? I think it's getting there. Should I? Do this? This maybe? No, actually, just one cell, right? Like this, actually. Right? Or was it better near the edge? Hey, hello, Anu, Usagi. How's it going? Quick, here or here? These, like, details. This one more towards the center or this one more towards the outside? What's up? All good? All good? Try this. Yeah, I like this better. Okay, save this one. Export as export. And here. What am I drawing? Good question. Good question. It's supposed to be an icon for a roll ability. Or a tumble, I don't know. Roll, tumble? But it's kind of difficult to draw, I don't know. Whatever, just experimenting. Let's see, base roll here. Now this thing. Alright, I need to put it on here. Sounds nice. Does that look like a tumble to you? Not. Doesn't. Kinda. Nah, you're just being nice. Doesn't look like a tumble. I think it needs some motion, right? Like an indicator that it's going in a direction. Otherwise it's just a weird spiral thingy. So let's see. Put this over here. I have to go. And let's go with I guess, I don't know. And add some, wait, what? No. Brush. Starting to look more like a roll. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, could be any number of things, but I think this is good. Maybe even here? No. More stuff here, like some sort of distortion? Kind of, maybe? What if I just put random stuff in here? Huh? Okay, okay, yeah, I like it. This one. Not great, but I think it improved. Oh. Maybe it doesn't need to be like spiky. Maybe it just needs to not be round. Or it's kind of maybe all of this should go like this. Maybe it doesn't need to be as exaggerated over here. Great. Sorry. Maybe just different shade? I have to go. Holy, I'm late. Maybe all of this was a mistake? Maybe just the trail at the bottom is okay? Or was this fine? Maybe this was fine, just not as crazy here at the top? Wait. Yeah. Maybe? Export. Where the heck is it? Export. There. It's not right. The top is not right. I did this and this. Wait, what? Wait, what? Why is it? What? Okay. Oh. Oh, this is... Wait, oh, right. This is not in the middle now. Never mind. Right, that's why I was getting confused. Let me throw this in the middle real quick so that I can get this. Right, all of this is too much. Now I see it. Holy. Wait, what? No, brush. Yeah, okay, this was too much. This as well. Maybe like this? All right, I forgot to move it to the center. I mean, not to the center. Offset it a little bit. This, I think? I don't know. Should it be centered? Maybe it should be centered. Never mind. Scratch all of that. Goes like this, I guess. I don't know. Well, I have to go. I have to have lunch with my parents. I'm kind of getting late now. Thanks to everybody who hang out, and I'll see you in the afternoon, I think. Probably. Maybe. Perhaps. See ya.